Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can use the film strip masking on CapCut to create a cool effect for your videos. So for this edit, you need to import two clips like this on CapCut, and after that set one of the clip as overlay. You can choose between the first or second clip. I'm going to use the second one, so set it as overlay like this, and then drag the overlay to start a bit later than the first one. I'm going to go with this. Okay, now click on the overlay, go to mask, and then select the film strip. Okay, now you can just adjust the angle to your liking, but I'm going to go with diagonally like this. You can also add some feather if you want. Okay, and after that, click on the check icon, add a keyframe at the start, and then add another one to where the first clip ends. This one, go to mask again, and then here zoom in the clip so that it cover the main clip like this. Click on the check icon, so after that your video will look like this. And you can also add animation, so this is optional, but I'm going to go to animation on the overlay, go to combo, and then select the wobble animations. Or you can also add another animations that you like, that's up to you. Where is it? Here it is. Click on that and adjust it to your liking. I'm going to just go with 0.2 seconds. Click on the check icon and you are done. So this is the final result, and that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.